Pull-up exercise for beginners. Pull-ups are an excellent upper body exercise that targets various muscle groups, including the back, arms, and shoulders. For beginners, mastering the pull-up can be a challenging yet rewarding journey. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of incorporating pull-ups into your workout routine, helping you build strength and confidence. 1. Understanding pull-ups. Definition and benefits. Pull-ups involve lifting your body weight by pulling yourself up to a bar. They strengthen the upper body, improve grip strength, and engage multiple muscles. Targeted muscles. Pull-ups primarily target the latissimus dorsi, biceps, and upper back muscles. 2. Preparation and warm-up. Warm-up routine. Begin with a dynamic warm-up to increase blood flow and prepare your muscles for the intensity of pull-ups. Include shoulder circles, arm swings, and light cardio. Grip strength exercises. Strengthen your grip with exercises like wrist curls and farmer's walks. 3. Assisted pull-ups. Resistance bands. Start with assisted pull-ups using resistance bands. Loop a band around the pull-up bar and place your foot or knee in it to reduce the weight you need to lift. Negatives. Focus on the lowering phase, eccentric, of the pull-up to build strength gradually. 4. Proper pull-up form. Hand placement. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart on the bar, with palms facing away, pronated grip. Body position. Hang from the bar with arms fully extended, engage your core, and maintain a straight body position. Pulling technique. Initiate the pull from your back muscles, bringing your chest toward the bar. Avoid using excessive momentum. 5. Gradual progression. Set realistic goals. Start with a manageable number of repetitions and gradually increase as your strength improves. Consistency. Include pull-ups in your routine 2 to 3 times per week, allowing for adequate rest between sessions. 6. Variations and progressions. Chin-ups. This variation targets the biceps more and is generally considered slightly easier for beginners. Wide grip pull-ups. Engages the upper back and shoulders to a greater extent. Mixed grip. Experiment with a combination of grips to challenge different muscle groups. 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Swinging. Maintain control and avoid using momentum to lift your body. Incomplete range of motion. Ensure you lower your body fully to a dead hang position between repetitions. Overtraining. Allow your muscles to recover adequately to prevent injury. 8. Incorporating pull-ups into your routine. Full body workouts. Include pull-ups as part of a comprehensive strength training routine. Supersetting. Pair pull-ups with exercises targeting different muscle groups for an effective workout. Mastering pull-ups as a beginner is a gradual process that requires dedication and consistency. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can progressively build the strength and technique needed to perform pull-ups with confidence. Remember to listen to your body, set realistic goals, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Pull-ups are not just an exercise, they're a testament to your strength and perseverance. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more health and fitness updates.